your girl Chef Angie here, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, we're back with another video for y'all today. And sorry I ate at the beginning of this video, but that jollof rice is to die for. And guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make it. Yeah, I'm gonna be letting you guys know my secret on making jollof rice. But you know, it might not necessarily be like the ones you, when you get into the party, you see and eat and all of that, because I don't know their recipe. I can't cut their head and bring out their recipe, but I have my own and how I can make things delicious. Well, anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare what I just finished fetching on now, and I can't wait to go back. So I'm going to let you guys know about how I made that in this video. And if you're seeing me for the first time on your screen or more, I am Asanye Angel. I'm a food blogger. Here on YouTube, I create content on food, money management, and also food blogging tips. I love to talk about money, so anyway you see me, there's money in my head. Anyways, guys, so if you're seeing me for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come to the family. We're welcoming you. Come into the family and hit that notification bell so you will be notified anytime I post a video. A lot of you are actually watching my videos, but nobody's subscribing. I don't know why. Please subscribe, guys. Like, do you know what it means to be your views to be like so much from people that are not subscribing to your channel? I'm like, guys, what's up? Am I biting you? Please come into the family. We love you and we're ready to welcome you. So yes, let's get into this video. Please like this video if this is what you love and you would love to try. Like this video and also put a comment down below. Honestly, it really helps me. It tells YouTube that this video is mad, so push it out YouTube, push it out YouTube. So guys, please do that for me. Thank you so much and I really appreciate it. So let's get to see how to make jollof rice. Bye guys. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be trying to make is the paste. So we have here Tatashe and I also have Shombo here. I actually went to get Tatashe, but I didn't find a lot of it, so I decided to also add Shombo. This could also replace Tatashe. So if you notice, I removed the seed from inside because I do not want my paste to be pretty hot. Yes, I also have tomatoes here. I am using a little tomato because tomatoes just really makes your jollof rice sweet. It doesn't necessarily make it so vibrant in that, like, you know, red color and everything. And I also have onion and garlic. Make sure these two combinations are always in your paste because they give it this awesome taste. Yes guys, so now I'm going to be roasting this. Why? Because I want to suck out all the juice inside it, because I do not want to parboil or boil my paste at all. So you would see after I finish roasting it and blending, you will see that it becomes really thick and there's no need for boiling. Alright guys, so I'm just going to pour everything I have here in and just separate them from each other. So I'm just going to separate everything so that everyone has their own breathing space. Alright guys, so I'm going to take this into the oven. I really cannot tell you a temperature for your oven because I do not use a temperature oven. I use a gas oven. But I'm going to let this sit in the oven for about 15 minutes, then go check it and see if it's to my desired dryness. Yes, so let's get to the oven. Alright guys, so this is it when it is dry. You can see how burnt it is, and you know, hair bloggers will say it's the shrinkage for me. So guys, it's the shrinkage for me of this thing. So when you see it like pretty soft, softer than usual. So now I think it's time to blend this. So guys, I'm going to be blending this now, and if your blender is a kind of blender that can take in all the dried ingredients and then suck out all the water from it, then you're good. But I do not have that. That's the reason why I'm going to add water to this and blend it. It's going to give me a really thick paste, and that is what you're looking out for. So in my pot, I'm going to add oil to it, and I fried some chicken inside this oil so that I can get all the juices out of the chicken into my oil. Well, I added some onions into my oil after taking out the chicken. Then I fried this for about 2 minutes before adding the garlic. Then I sauteed it for 2 minutes again before I add my tomato paste. I'm using pepper and onion Gino tomato paste because I do not want to add pepper as I go on with the cooking. So that's the reason why I chose pepper and onion. So make sure you fry your tomato paste very well. Some people do not fry their tomato paste very well. You need to let this fry for some time. So you saute it for like 2 minutes and then you leave it for about 5 minutes. Let it get fried, and make sure you're doing this on sort of low heat. Yeah, so this is what you have after sauteing it and letting it fry very well. Everything comes to like ball like kind of thing. So that's what you should have after boiling it, after sauteing it, sorry. So after that, I'm going to add in my pepper mixture. So this is very thick, like you can see, and this is what you're trying to achieve. So you're just going to stir that into it and let everything get incorporated into your mixture. So I'm going to add my seasoning. I use Bullion cubes, I use salt, and I also use thyme and curry. Guys, thyme and curry should not miss inside your jollof rice because they make this thing really sweet and nice. So you can also add nutmeg, but I decided to leave that out here. So you're going to need to fry this thing for some time so that it will not taste, your jollof rice will not taste like Tatashe or Shombo, any of those things. But before that, I added bay leaf to it. You can get like 16 leaves for about 15 naira. So like this is really cheap. Yeah, so now you can see I have fried it, and can you guys see the color? It's not more like that red paste. I added washed rice. This is half derica of washed rice. I did not parboil it, and I washed it till the water ran clear. That's for about 7 or 8 times. So I'm just going to mix all that together so all the sauce can get incorporated into my rice. And after that, I'm going to add meat stock. I had chicken stock, sorry. So if your chicken stock is not enough, or if you don't have chicken stock, you can definitely use water, but chicken stock just give it that chickeny taste. Well, so I added some water to this because the chicken stock was not enough, and please add more water because you would need your rice to cook with this thing, and you don't want to go wrong. So I covered my pot. You can use a tin foil, but my pot seal is really hard, so I covered it well without a tin foil. So guys, this is what I have after 30 minutes. You need to let your rice cook really well, and normal party jollof rice, there's always room for burning. That's the reason why you can see that the under of the pot is looking like it's burnt, but it was deliberate, guys. So this is what I have, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned one or two. Yes, I hope you really learned a lot, because like it really takes time when it comes to developing recipes, because you have to like think about it. Some people think it's easy, some people think it's not just small, but guys, this things actually take a lot of our time. Well, anyways, I hope you actually learned something, and please give this video a thumbs up, because if you love it and if you're here, meaning you love it, so give it a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. That red button down there, just hit it and let it go gray. Yes, hit it and let it go gray. My goal for the month is still 200 subscribers, even if the days remaining in this month is little. But guys, I know that I can hit it, and even if I don't, I'm not backing out. I'm gonna put another goal for next month. Yes. So anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you all next week. Toodles, my lovelies. Bye, angel. Peace out.